today I'm gonna show you my blueberries in our yard, and I'll show you what we're doing to protect it from birds and squirrels.
Apat. Look at that. Improvise food picker.
We don't know what to do with these blueberries because the birds have been eating it, and also the squirrels have been here a lot of times. I'm here at our yard and just wanted to show you my blueberries plant there. It's planted on the pot and it has a lot of fruits already. Actually last week it has big ones there, and there are some ripe ones already. It's not the only blueberries plant that we have. We have also one at that side there, another one there, another one there, and there's more on this side. But the birds are eating them. So yesterday we went to Home Depot and bought this wire mesh, is if it's that what you call it. And then so we have it here, but then we realized, oh, it's not gonna be good, I think, because it will be, first of all, it's gonna be too bulky to put in the yard, and I don't think it's a good idea to be putting those wired fence on like around each one of the plants. So then we returned it, and my son ordered from Amazon this one, and it says fruit protection bags. So it's supposed to be helping prevent birds from, you know, eating those fruits. And this is the very first time I've seen this, so we'll see, and hopefully it works. In this bag, it has 140 pieces of fruit protection plant flower bags, and this is how it looks like. It has different sizes. We have small ones like this, and I think different sizes, yes. Next to that are these ones and these ones, all different sizes. I think the big one is like, let me see how big is the biggest one. The biggest one is this size, and it has a lot. do those high ones. I won't be able to reach it, and I just need the one that I can reach, like this one here and those that are in there. So let's show you. Okay, so these ones I did those, and I did this one. Those I won't be able to do it anymore. Those are too high for me.